Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your login with PayPal detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your login with PayPal, start by navigating to the PayPal website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. When prompted, look for the having trouble logging in link below the password entry field. Click on this link to proceed to the password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Next button to continue. PayPal will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Open your email inbox and look for the email from PayPal. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you find the email, click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be redirected to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Enter your new password in the designated field and confirm it as instructed. After completing the password reset, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message that your password has been updated successfully. Now, return to the PayPal login page. Enter your email address and your newly created password. Click the Login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, revisit the password recovery process or contact PayPal support for assistance. Your PayPal account is now accessible with your new login credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.